In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Reddit account. So I'll be showing you this on an iPhone, but if you are using another device like a laptop, you can still follow along as the steps will be exactly the same. So the first thing you need to do is just head over to the Reddit application. You can also do this in an internet browser, it's entirely up to you. And then you need to click on your profile icon in the top right hand side. Obviously, make sure you're logged into your account and then click on settings right at the bottom. From here, you just need to scroll all the way down the screen, and right underneath support, you'll see this option to delete account. Just click on this and you may get this message pop up saying that you need to re-log in with your Google account again. Just press continue and that will automatically send you over to the login page of Google. So just go ahead and select your account and then just re-log back in like so. And once you've done that, you'll get one more confirmation message. And as you can see, this is a permanent process. By deleting your account, you're going to get rid of your username and everything like that. It won't delete all of your old posts and comments, but it will disassociate it to your account. So if you want to confirm, just press on yes, delete. Then click on continue. Click on delete once more. And there we go. We've now successfully deleted our Reddit account. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.